Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Node.js. Today we are going to upload multiple image with the help of the multer-s3 and AWS SDK. Previous video we have talked about the single upload. Now we are going to upload with the multiple images. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please to subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please to like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So here we have the code. So we have to install the package express.env multer-s3. Okay, then we have aws require aws sdk. Here we have two configurations. We have to configure aws SDK, update the authentication over here. Then this is the code for the upload. We have to make the this one, like there's permissions and where file to be uploaded. So here we have a multer s3 bucket name, permissions, content type, and the key. Okay, then we have to define the route where we have to upload. So here this is the for the multiple. Previously we have discussed about the single upload, right? Then we have a multiple uploads. In the multiple uploads to the multer, we have to add just array. Single is replaced with the array, and here we have to, if you want to 3 images, 4 images, 5 images, whatever you can define over here, right? Then it will upload it accordingly. So let's have a look. And it is uploaded 3 images on the bucket or not. So let's start this one and let's restart this. So here we go with this one. Let me remove this one and we will select the 3 images, the dd, this image, and any of the, let's take it at 2 images. Okay, 2 images, right? Open to select it, send. Let's check the console. It's not still available. Unexpected field was there. Error. Let me check what exactly it is. It's image, not the my pick, right? So you can just copy and paste this my pick also over here and just save it to this one. Okay, so let's go and just send it. Let's have a look. Multi unexpected field. Unexpected field. Oh, there is this upload, there is multiple. Okay, so there is a issue, right? Both the route and the things. So here we go, we have to the upload, not multiple. Okay, and then okay, done my pick, then send. Successfully uploaded 2 files. Let's have a look. This is one. Reload this one. This image uploaded, right? So if we can console that one, I have already required dot files. It's files, I guess, not the file. Okay, so copy and just add the required dot files, which files is uploaded, right? So let's have a look on that one also, because we require the files whether you want to update the db or something, right? So let's select the another files. Is there any files over there? This is, let me go with the downloads, or let's use this one again. Okay, 2 images, send. Okay, so here we got the details, right? So all the details of that one, my pick and the images, how to use this one, ddd. So this is how we are going to upload the multiple image with the help of the multer-s3 and aws sdk. Any doubt, any query in that, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.